Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. I can is 100 times more important than IQ. Brains, skills and talent can take you so far, but only if you want them to. If you find something that you're really good at, then you really do have a real gift, but the question is, if you actually want to use it. This is where enthusiasm comes in. All that talent won't get you very far if you don't want to use it. Whereas enthusiasm can take you all the way because that's what you really want to do. So, do something that you truly love and you'll never work again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.